Go through the question shown on the bottom of the screen. Then come back here. See, question is that there is a disk of radius r whose surface density is given sigma at a distance z in the z-axis direction, in this direction, somewhere here from the origin. Okay, what is the value of electric field? Okay, so if there is a ring, okay, so if I will ask you from distance z, what is the value of electric field? Okay, so you took this distance, yes or no? You have to consider this distance. Okay, you have to consider this distance. Okay, so already we derived the formula. So how to approach this question? How to approach this question? Now in place of ring we have a disk of radius r. So suppose there is a disk of radius r, at it from center there is a elementary area like this. Okay, dA, okay, at a distance small r, and this width is dr. Agree? Okay, sir. So if I will ask you what is dA of this strip, so you can say, sir, dA equals to 2 pi r dr. So if I will ask you what is dq, charge dq, so sigma into dA. Agree? Sigma into dA. So what is this? Sigma into 2 pi r dr. Agree? If I will ask you what is the value of electric field, okay, at z, distance from origin, in this direction, okay, in this direction z, what is the value of electric field? You can say, sir, electric field, suppose dE, okay, z direction, so 1 k, okay, q1 means q, so what is q? dq, k dq divided by, now you need to consider r square, this and this. Okay, so what is the formula? R square plus z square power 3 by 2 z. Agree? Tell me. Okay, this is d, this is d. Okay, now you need to substitute dq in this and try to integrate this. So what is dE? Integration of this. So what is electric field? Equals to, take k outside. Okay, integration dq is what? Integration dq is what? Sigma 2 pi r dr, and what is this? Z divided by r square plus z square power 3 by 2. Agree? So now you can take sigma outside, okay, 2 pi outside, z also outside. Agree? So electric field equals to k sigma 2 pi z inside integration r dr divided by r square plus z square power 3 by 2. R dr divided by r square plus z square power 3 by 2. Agree? Tell me. Okay, so how to integrate this? Simply take r square plus z square equals to t. Can you erase this portion? I hope you understood the concept. So now what I am doing, r square plus z square equals to t. Okay, so differentiate, take differential, okay, r and t with respect to r and t. So what will be this? Z is constant. Okay, z is here constant with respect to r. So 2r dr, 2r dr equal to dt, 2r dr equals to dt. So what? R dr dt by 2. So I substitute here directly. So what is electric field? Equals to k z 2 pi z, means k sigma 2 pi z. In place of r dr, now I substitute dt by 2. So I am taking 2 here. dt divided by r square plus z square power 3 by 2, that is t power 3 by 2. Agree? Okay, now can I arrange everything? Tell me. So we need to integrate from where to where? 0 to r. Okay, 0 to r. 0 to r. So right now I am not putting limit because I replaced r dt. So I will put at the end, or you can put here right now also. See, we are integrating from 0 to, okay, r. So now in place of, okay, r square plus z square, we are substituting d. So now what will be our limit? Okay, so now our limit will change. Our limit will change. Okay, so better what we do, just integrate first and then we will put limit at the end. Okay, so what is this? K sigma 2 pi z. This is z. Okay, divided by 2. Okay, and did t power minus 3 by 2. T power minus 3 by 2 dt. So what is integration of t power minus 3 by 2? T power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 3 by 2 plus 1. So this is what t power minus 1 by 2. So t power minus 1 by 2 divided by, this is again minus 1 by 2. So actually if you solve this, so what will be this 2 upside numerator, so minus 2 divided by root minus 2 something like this divided by root t. Agree? Tell me. Okay, so now I am substituting this directly, and in place of t, what you assumed, r square plus z square. Tell me. Agree? So what is this now? K sigma 2 pi z divided by 2 into minus 2. I am putting all this. Okay, minus 2 divided by root t. Okay, so also we need to put limit. Okay, so take care of that. Root of t. In place of t, what is we have? R square plus z square. Okay, not take limit. Not take limit. Limit is from 0 to r. Agree? Understood? Tell me. Understood? Everything correct? So now my child solve this. So this is what K sigma 2 pi z divided by 2. Okay, into put here minus 2 is constant, you can take minus 2 outside. Okay, and now see here r. So this will what? 1 by r square plus z square minus, when you put 0, so r will be 0, so 1 by z square. So 1 by z square is what? Z. So like this, something like this. Agree? Now see, 2 you can cancel out. Okay, you can take minus inside also, and you can say K sigma 2 pi z 1 by z minus 1 by square root of r square plus z square. Agree? So my child, my student, now we can put here, so this is what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught sigma into 2 pi z. 2 pi into 2, we can cancel out. Tell me. So this will be sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Agree? Into z. 1 by z minus 1 by r square plus z square. So my student, this is sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Okay, sigma by 2 epsilon naught z, and you can, if you want, you can multiply by z. If you multiply by z inside, so this will be what? Z into z, cancel out 1 minus z divided by r square plus z square. This is answer. You can check the options. Okay, so you can check the options. Questions shown on the screen. So my student, if you want to score good marks in JEE Mains examination or NEET examinations, okay, if you want good rank, okay, so how to approach the questions, how to attack the questions so that you can get correct answer and you can get correct options. Okay, so if you follow these sessions, okay, try to share such sessions with your friends so that this will be useful for more and more students. Thank you.